Hello, this is Robyn Foss, and welcome to the Narrated Storybook demo. First, let's grab the ingredients: a favorite storybook, be sure to practice a few times, a voice recorder app, your Forever account and the Forever app, as well as a QR code printer. Now let's get started and record a reading of the book. I'm going to slide down, and I have an iPhone, but your Android phones are going to have recorder apps as well. So you find your recording app. So I just type in voice, and I have two options: voice recorder and voice memos. For this sample, I used voice recorder. All right, so next what I did is I pressed the record button, and then I can name my tape or my recording. So we'll call this test recording. And then we're going to press the record button. Hello, this is a test recording for a demonstration. And we'll hit done, and it's test.
Hello, this is a test recording for a demonstration.
So we have our recording done. So next, you can see at the top right of my screen, there is a box with an up arrow. That's our share button. We're going to share. We're going to share an audio. And then the apps come up, and you can see my Forever app is appearing. So I'm going to click that. And then you can put in a description if you want. So narrating books is fun. Then we hit post. So now we're going to go out of this app. Next, we'll go into our Forever app. And we'll go to the library, and there it is.
Hello, this is a test recording for a demonstration.
Okay, so now we have our recording. Typically, it's not going to be a test recording. It's going to be you reading books to your kids or grandkids. Now we're going to hit this share button. So at the top, you see the X, the name of my file, the heart, and the arrow. You want to touch the arrow. We're going to do share link. And I'm going to hit copy. So this is where I'm going to use the app for my printer, my Phomemo printer. Okay, so I'm going to turn that printer on, and then I'm also going to open the app. It's called Print Master. It says tap here to connect to your printer. Tap here to create your label. And it says I'm connected. Okay. So new label, narrated photo book template. So you can save, but what I'm going to do is just create a new one. And we're going to confirm our label settings. And so I am going to do QR codes. You see there's text, barcode, and QR. So I click that. And then I'm going to tap and hit paste. And then I'm going to hit check. And there's my QR code. Now, this is coming out as a horizontal or landscape layout. But if I don't like it, I can go to format. There we go. And label setting. And I could change it here. So there's lots of YouTube videos on this printer, but for now, we are going to go back to our label. And you can add in text. So let's do text. And let's see, actually, let's go back. We want to go label setting, confirm. There. That's what I wanted. And then I want to move the text down, so I'm tapping it. And resizing. Okay, double tap to edit. Sounds good to me. This is a test. Look at new size. And then we can also change the font. So let's see. So style, font. I think it's font shape. Yeah, that's what we want. So you can see there's different font choices, and I've downloaded some, but they have lots of choices. And so if you want to try a new one, you just hit the download and it adds it. And then you click on it and that changes the font. Okay. So it's really intuitive. So I would just say play around with it. And then if you click up in the white space around the label, it moves out of whatever current menu you're in. Okay, so now we can either save it or print it. So I'm going to print. And then at this point, we look at how it looks on the label. And it looks okay, but if I wanted to, I can hit the negative or positive, and it would move my print back and forth, and then vertically up and down. And if I'm happy, then I say print now. Now that we have printed our label, we're going to open our camera on our phone just to show you how it works. So scan it. And it links to a file in Forever, and I hit play.
Hello, this is a test recording for a demonstration.
Pretty cool.
Hey, honey, let's read a book. Oh, look, The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear.